Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Coffee Shop Sound Stage, sponsored by SRS Distribution. My name's Karen Edwards, and we are coming to you live from the International Roofing Expo in Las Vegas. I am sitting here with Charles from All Weather Insulated Panels. Welcome.
Thanks, Karen. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, so why don't you start out by introducing yourself, tell everyone who you are and what you do there at AWIP.
So I've been with AWIP about 4.5 years. I've been in kind of the construction industry for a little over 20 years. Done a lot of engineering work, so I'm an engineer by education, and kind of handled products and marketing, sustainability, a lot of different roles throughout my career. With AWIP, I've been in a sales role for about a year and a half, so I manage our Eastern commercial team. Um, and yeah, that's quickly
Well,
recap
you're
about me.
like a unicorn then, because you're an engineer, but you're in sales. And you don't see that a lot, right? It's kind of either one or the other.
Yeah, I have a salesperson that always says like, what is how do you know that there's an interesting engineer? And his punchline is they look at your shoes when they're talking to you rather than theirs. And it always kind of makes me laugh. So yeah, I guess in a sense, I'm an engineer that likes to communicate.
Yeah.
Um, and I think it's served me well, and it's served a lot of the companies I work with, and especially with AWIP. Like, we love to communicate, and we have visions about what the future looks like, the built environment, from a sustainability standpoint, from a partnership standpoint. So I think it has served me well in this role.
So let's dial it back to a quick basic of what is an all-weather insulated panel, like the products that you sell.
So we sell insulated metal panels, which are two skins, two roll form skins that come together, and there's a chemical reaction that fills the core of the panels. And we have a great new foam system out. It's called a NovaCell. It is kind of an industry leading R value, so an R8 per inch. It's a closed cell foam, and our panels are a single step, all in one panel that goes from the structure out and handles your air, vapor, wind, and water barrier and thermal barrier. So
Yeah.
it's an all-encompassing system. So instead of up to 7 steps for kind of a traditional build out of something, it's a single step, single pass on the building.
Yeah. Wow. Time saving then too.
Yeah, significant time savings in today's world where you have scarcity of labor, you have deadlines and timelines that are very aggressive, especially in kind of the data center markets or mission
Oh,
critical
yeah.
markets. Yeah, we're seeing a significant increase in the usage of our product.
Sure. Okay, so you guys have a booth here.
Yeah, so we're at booth 1601. We have a full display. It's an interactive booth, so we do a
Okay.
lot of kind of upfront design work. So you can come in and try on a VR headset and kind of walk through buildings and
Oh, that's
designs that we
cool.
have. We have a two-story booth, so you can walk up, and we have kind of the future of low slope roofing is one deck, and we have an interactive where you walk up and you can walk on the one deck and kind of see how it goes
Oh,
together.
wow.
Very, very cool system. Um, and again, our booth is very interactive. You can kind of see all of our wall panels, our roof panels. Our GM40F Plus panel is the first of its kind. It's kind of a polyiso system that can give you like an R64
Wow.
with a 1 hour UL fire rating, which is first of its kind. So that is a huge
That's
deal.
amazing.
And we have samples of that. Like it's
Yeah.
it's great to have shows like this where people can come and see the product and
Yeah.
interact with. We have engineers and our design professionals as well as our sales folks here at the booth at 1601.
So this show has a lot of contractors here. I'd like to know what kind of conversations you're having in your booth. Like, what kind of questions are they asking? What are they interested in?
So at All Weather, we're really about partnership and helping find solutions for folks for the built environment. Again, our new foam system wasn't due to um, any type of pressure. Typically, you change foam systems, or you create due to pressure from the market or pressure from banning of certain elements of your product. And we do things just based on our core values, and one of those is innovation. Um, and so we like to innovate, we like to partner. So a lot of the conversations that we've been having are around our Impro program. So it is a partnership with our customers or with contractors where we train and we promote and we co-promote with them, and we help them provide solutions to the market.
Yeah.
So we've been having a lot of conversations about that, and we've also been having a lot of conversations about our new foam system, the Innova Cell, and our one deck system.
Wow. Yeah, that's awesome. So if you are coming out to the International Roofing Expo today, we still have a little bit of time. And then, of course, there's tomorrow, 1601,
Yep.
to see and experience it. You really have an experience in your booth, it sounds like.
Yeah. Yes, we
Yeah.
do, Karen. Thank you.
Yeah. And if you're not coming, you can find out more information on AWIP because they have directories on the coffee shops with all this information and how to get in touch with them to get started with this incredible system.
All right. Thank you so much, Karen.
Have a great rest of your show, and thank you all out there for watching this. We are keeping these interviews rolling until the show closes today at 5 o'clock Pacific time. So don't go anywhere. We want to see you again.